the simultaneous equations, systems of equations to achieve level. So we're going to try this one here. I've set up a table that the way that you should set it up. So you should have across the top, basically, when you do this, your x, your y, your z, and your total, and then you're going to have your equations 1, 2, 3 across there. So a table that is basically, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4 would be a good table to use. Now, the very first thing that we've got to do is we've got to figure out what are my unknowns, what are my variables in this question, what's going to be x, y, and z. And to do that, I go hunting for the question that tells me what it wants me to solve. So there's 3 friends go to the market. Chris bought 2 kgs of apples, 1.5 kgs of broccoli, 3 kgs of carrots, which cost a total of $14.50. Pina bought a certain amount of apples, and broccoli and carrots cost $12, and Gloria bought some more apples and broccoli and carrots, which cost a total of $15. And it says calculate the cost per kg of apples, broccoli, and carrots. So here's my question. It wants me to find the cost per kg of apples, broccoli, and carrots. So that tells me what my variables are going to be. X is going to be my apples. Y is going to be the broccoli. And it doesn't matter if you use something other than X, Y, and Z, but I'm just going to keep it simple. And Z will be my carrots. Okay? So that's my variables. So that means that I'm going to have like 3 equations. I've got to have 3 equations. I've got 3 variables. Well, what's going to be my equations? Well, we've got 3 friends go to the market. So the friends, the people, are going to be my equation. Chris, Pina, and Gloria. Now, I've just got to read so I can figure out what the values are for apples, broccoli, and carrots for Chris. So it says Chris bought 2 kgs of apples, so that's going to be 2 there. He bought 1.5 kgs of broccoli and 3 kgs of carrots for a total cost of $14.50. Pina, what did she buy? She bought 1 kg of apples, 1 kg of broccoli, and 4 kgs of carrots for a total cost of $12. And Gloria bought 2.5 kgs of apples, 3 of broccoli, 1 of carrots for a cost of $15. So there it is. That's filling in my table. And then my equations become 2x plus 1.5y plus 3z is equal to 1450. That's Chris. X plus y plus 4z is equal to 12 is Pina. And 2.5 plus x plus 3y plus z is equal to 15 is Gloria. Then what I do is I take my calculator, I go into the menu, I go down to equation, I go simultaneous, I got 3 unknowns, and then I fill in those numbers, for my equations. Come on, you can do this. No, it can't, apparently. No, it can't. Okay, so we'll go 2, 1.5, 3, 1450, and so on. 1, 4, 12, and 2.5, 3, 1, 15. Oops. Three, nope. 1, 15. Solve. So there it is. So that means basically in the context of this that I have, when I go to solve it, that's what my calculator just did, was 3.5 for x, 1.5 for y, and 1.75 for z. Now you have to put this in context, and you have to be careful because the context is calculate the cost per kg. This is not the cost per apple. So the cost per kg of apples is $3.50. The cost per kg for broccoli is $1.50, and the cost per kg for carrots is $1.75. And that is up to achieve level for that.